Way too much screen time these days? Do you or your kids like Legos? How about Super Mario? If they do, like me and my kids, check out this new Lego Super Mario. Hi, this is David of Tech4Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. We're all spending way too much time staring at monitors these days, especially our kids who are now learning by staring at screens since they're distant learning at home. Today, I want to share with you a great new tech toy to get them and me creating and playing away from monitors and TVs. The Lego Super Mario. It's a combination of Lego and Nintendo Super Mario my kids and I grew up with. It's amazing how both Legos and Super Mario have been around in our lives for so long. What I have here is the starter core set. Unlike other Lego sets, this one comes in an irregular shaped box instead of a rectangular one. Just like any other Lego, it comes with Lego pieces we need to put together first. What's different from other Lego set is instead of a printed booklet of instructions, this one comes with a thin booklet which tells us to download a smart device app and just marketing materials on the back on expansion sets. The Lego Super Mario app has the building instructions. While I miss having the familiar instruction booklet, the app supports zooming and 3D rotations to make the instructions much easier to see and follow. For each build, there is also a quick video on how Mario can interact with it. The app can also capture and share levels created and their scores. Overall, the build is quite straightforward. There are not that many pieces, but there is much more to this Lego set than just building it. What's special about this set is how you can play with it after it's built. The main character is Mario, of course. Let's take a look at him first. Mario looks like Mario, which is a good thing, just a bit more squared since he's a Lego. He's much bigger than the usual Lego minifigure. Here's Spider-Man for reference. He's about 7 centimeters tall. A bit smaller than the Brickhead. Cool, but not too impressive until you turn him on. He's packed with technology. Mario runs on 2 AAA batteries under this cover. There is a Bluetooth button for pairing. You do need to pair him with a smart iOS or Android device and get the build instruction in the app first. But thankfully, you can play Mario without the smart device as well. Let's turn him on and see. Ah, much better. He has a LCD screen underneath, broken up as eyes, mouth, and his chest to display his feelings and current situation. Apparently he got bored and fell asleep. A speaker to speak his mind and play familiar sound effects and music from the Super Mario game. Mario has an like that. Mario has an accelerometer, a gyroscope inside to track how you're moving him. Lastly, under his feet, there is a scanner color sensor with 2 lights to interact with different terrains and action blocks that he lands on. For example, on a green square, he's on grass. The blue square is water. The yellow square is desert. And lastly, on a red square, he's on lava. Woo! There are also many action bricks with special barcodes Mario can scan and react to with sound, animation, and expressions. There are power-ups, enemies, special pieces such as slides and floating clouds. Mario's blue overall and hat can also be swapped out. Ooh. There are power-up packs like Cat Mario that gives Mario special ability. Cat Mario, for example, can collect coins while running up the walls. So the point of the game is for Mario to get through the level and collect as many coins as possible, similar to the video game. Of course, we need to build a level first. The starter core set has 231 pieces. It comes with Mario, the start pipe, the goal pole, Goomba, Bowser Jr., a question block, a cloud, and a balanced platform, and various pieces to connect the course together. The starter course is the only set that comes with Mario, the start pipe, and the goal pole. So it is the first set to get. Once you put Mario in the start pipe, the level starts. Mario has 60 seconds to finish the level and collect as many coins as possible. To finish the level, just like the video game, Mario reaches the goal pole, and it's so cool to have the goal pole with the black Bowser flag in real life. With Goomba, Mario stomps on it and gets a coin. Bowser Jr. interacts in a similar way, but Mario can stomp on it multiple times. Instead of hitting the question block from below, it gets jumped on here. And Mario can get one of the 6 options, such as star power-ups or extra coins. Mario can ride on the cloud to get some coins or restore his life when he dies. The last interactive build is the balance platform. The longer Mario stands on the platform as I rotate it, the more coins he gets. Whenever Mario falls off, which he does often, he gets dizzy and can't collect coins for a couple of seconds. Very cute. Okay, let's put a course together like the one shown in the app and run Mario through the level.
Lego Mario time! Here we go!
At $59.99, the starter course set is not cheap, mostly due to all the tech inside Mario, I'm sure. Also, to get the most out of LEGO Super Mario, we really needed more than just the starter course, so it can get expensive quickly depending on how many expansion sets and packs you end up getting. Currently, there are 10 expansion sets ranging from $19.99 to $99.99. 4 Mario Power-Up packs with different overalls and hats, and mystery character packs. For example, there's a Mario's House and Yoshi's expansion set for $29.99, which comes with Yoshi, another Goomba, and this cool hammock for Mario to take a nap on.
I'm tired.
Wait for it. Very cute. Our favorite expansion set, yeah, the biggest and most expensive one currently, is the Bowser's Castle Boo Battle expansion set. The set comes with a great Bowser, very cool, Boo, Dry Bones, and Lava Bubble. The castle is also big and mean. Let me know in the comment section below if you'd like to see reviews of the expansion sets I have. Even though it's not cheap, I highly recommend checking LEGO Super Mario out if you or your kids are fans of both LEGO and Super Mario. It's just such a great and unique combination. More than other LEGO sets that are very fun to build, proud to display, this set has much greater replay values. If you or your kids like to play with your LEGOs after you build them like we do, this set is for you. We keep on discovering new little things as we play. Since the pieces and the course can be rearranged, the possibilities are endless. I wonder what sets and characters will come next. A set with Luigi or Peach maybe? For me, who grew up and grew old with both LEGO and Super Mario, it just puts a smile on my face that I can physically touch, hear, and interact with Mario, his friends and enemies. Oh, and the kids love it too. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button and share. Do you like where LEGO is going with this unique Super Mario theme set? How have you been trying to get yourself and your kids away from all the screens these days? Let me know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.